A blank camera may fail to connect to the internet due to several reasons, including a weak connection, depleted camera batteries, or a software glitch. To resolve these issues, start by checking the network connection. Open the mobile app associated with the camera and tap the sync module icon, which will bring up the Wi-Fi settings. Look for the Wi-Fi indicator and move the sync module closer to the router if the indicator is red or yellow. Rebooting the router can also help refresh the connection. Additionally, check the camera's battery level by launching the app and tapping the camera icon. Then locate the battery indicator in the top right corner. If the indicator is red, replace the batteries. Power cycling the router and camera can also resolve connectivity issues. To do this, disconnect the router from the wall plug. Let it sit for a minute, and press the buttons to discharge it before plugging it back in. Then, remove the camera's batteries. Let it sit idle for a minute. Press the buttons to discharge it, and reinstall the batteries. After power cycling both devices, wait for a moment before attempting to connect the camera to the internet again. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue preventing your blank camera from connecting to the internet.